Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Sabir. This project I have automated the testing of movies app. I used Selenium TestNG page object models and BDD concepts. It means behavior driven developments. This project I code structure the test cases and I have written and finally how I execute the test cases. I have created a Maven project and IntelliJJ called the Movies App Test. In this pom.xml file, I added dependencies for the Selenium and TestNG and WebDriver Manager. I used the Chrome driver to run my test cases. In this project, I organized the two main packages under the SRC and Test Java. These pages and package contains the all pages classes. Each class has the locators and methods for the performing action on the web pages. This test package contains the all the test classes and each test class validate one page of the application. Structures follow the page object model which make the code reusable and readable and easy to maintain. Here is the folder structures of the base classes. You can see that. Let me open the login page. As an example here, I define the locators for the username field and password field and the login button. And I also create the methods such as enter username and enter passwords and click login methods. This way, I can use this action across the multiple tests without the repeating codes. I follow the same approach for the home page and the header sections and popular page and search and so on. The test classes. Now let's look at the test classes. The login page test. I tested the login page UI and verify the login functionality with the valid credentials. And the home page next. Let me move on the home page test. I check if the home page loads correctly with the trending and original sections. And let's move on to the header section test. I verify the header UI and navigation between the pages. Let's open popular page test. I tested the popular page UI and movie list and display. Let's move on to the church page test. I tested the church functionality by entering the keywords and checking the results. Each of the tests is implemented using the TestNG annotation like before before class and at test and after class. You can see that visually. To run the test, I created a TestNG XML file. This file control in order which the test is run and also allow me to enable the parallel test cases run at the same times, which reduce the total execution of times. And let me run the test cases to all. It's completed all successful tests to all sections based test. And the final conclusion, I created a manual project with the Selenium and TestNG, and I followed the page object models to the separate locators and action from the test logic. I wrote test cases for the all key pages of the movie app. I wrote test cases and finally I executed the test using the TestNG with parallel testing enabled. This project demonstrates how automation testings can be structured in a professional way. Thank you to all.